Okay, for 8a, we're going to create another system from the situation. First thing it says, there are 9 books stacked on a shelf. The thickness of each book is either 1 inch or 2 inches. The height of the stack of books of 9 books, so my 9 books, is 14 inches. Which system of equations can be used to determine x, the number of 1-inch books? So x is the number of 1-inch books, and then y, the number of 2-inch books. So unlike 8, the two equations are not in their own little sentences. So the first thing we know is there are 9 books stacked on the shelf, and when we add those 9 books up, it's going to be 14 inches. So somehow when we add those 9 books up, the height of each of those, we're going to get 14. So we have 1-inch books and 2-inch books. With that information, we can go ahead and start creating our equations. First of all, we need to get 9 books stacked. So 9 books, we have 1-inch books and we have 2-inch books. My x and y, 1-inch books, 2-inch books. When I add those numbers up, we get our 9 books right here. Then with these 9 books, we know the height is 14 inches. Well, how do we determine how high these books are? Well, if we have 1-inch books and our 2-inch books, well, our 1-inch books are 1 inch apiece. My 2-inch books are 2 inches apiece. So every time I add a 1-inch book, I add 1 inch. Every time I add a 2-inch book, I add 2 inches. So these are my two equations. Let's see which ones match. X plus y equals 9. That doesn't work. X plus y equals 9. That works. X plus y does not equal 9. Those work. So we've eliminated A and C just by this first equation. Now for the second one. 1x plus 2y. Well, this says 2x plus 1y. That doesn't work. Not B. X plus 2y has to be D. This one works. And remember, there's no number in front of it. We assume it's a 1.